Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Guys, today we'll see how to create list of tables and list of figures. Means if you have so many diagrams in your documents or if you have so many tables in your document, so then how you can create a separate list of figures and separate list of tables. Just like if you are a research student, so you have so many diagrams in your document, you have so many tables in your documents, you want to give them names and you want to have a separate list of tables and diagram, just like table of content. Mean you have a table name and you have page number, you have a diagram and you have a page number, just like that. So we'll see today how it works. So let's go to the document. I have already prepared a document, so in which we have different data and diagrams. So we'll see one by one. So how to do? For example, this one is a diagram or this one is a figure, mean picture. So you can have you need to go to the reference tab or reference ribbon. In reference ribbon you will find a box named as caption. Caption mean first you need to insert the caption of this diagram or picture. So insert caption, so you will find caption name. Caption name you can change the name. By default it is, let's suppose, figure 1. So you, if you want to name the name, you can change it. Let's suppose Taj Mahal, for example. And label, that is basically figure, so it is not a table, it is basically a figure. Position, where you want to insert the caption below the selected item, mean that item you have selected. If you press OK, you will see that is inserted over here, figure 1 Taj Mahal. So same as you can add all the pictures, insert captions. Figure 2 Dubai, and Eiffel Tower, so you can add figure 3 Eiffel Tower, okay, and so on. So you need to add insert caption, you need to add the caption of this figure, that is so you can add the caption here as well, and that is White Mountain. So you need to add all the captions. So for example, we have added all the captions of all the diagrams or figures that we have in our documents. So what we need to do is that we need to create a separate list of all these figures that we have in our document. So here the same you will find the reference ribbon, and in reference ribbon you will find insert table of figures. If you just click it, it will ask you the preview. It will show like this one, and page number, right align page number, and tab ladder line or dotted line, whatever you want. Journal format, whatever format you will like, simple, formal, center, distinctive, these are the different format, whatever you like or whatever you are required you can choose from here. And caption label, that is figure basically, and if you press OK, you will see that the list of figure has been created, whatever you have. So you can use this list of figure separately with page number. If you want to go to that any of the diagram, what you need to do, just press the control button. You will see that your cursor, your pointer shape has been changed. If you just click it, you will go to the sun in the heart. So this one. So this is basically a list of figures. So same as you can have a list of a table as well. So just insert a blank page. So same as list of tables. We have to use the same process that we have done for the list of figures. So we can do the same thing with the list of tables. You have so many tables, particularly research students, they have so many tables in their documents. Whatever different kind of analysis they do, they have to put different type of tables in your in their document. So for that purpose you can do the same thing. So if you have, let's suppose this one, this is basically a table and table 1, so you need to do the same thing. So you go to the reference tab, insert caption. So now here this is basically a table, so you need to select the table. So label is table. Now by default this is giving you table 1. So if you want to give table 1, for example, correlation table, so and this is table, above the table you want to have this label on the top of the label or below the label. This option is up to you, wherever you want to have. So okay, just press OK, you will see that table 1 correlation. So you have this table, for example this table as well. So insert the caption, same, insert the caption, table, by default table 2, yes, table 2, whatever the name is, any XYZ for example. Okay, same with this one, insert table 3, ABC, whatever name you want to select, you can select the name, same, table 4, alpha, insert caption, table 5, value of beta, insert caption, table 6, value of R square, insert caption, table 7, final result, for example. So you have done all the tables in your documents and you have given the name, you have defined that these are the tables in the system software, this has been accepted as a table. So now you go to the page where you want to have this list of table, just like list of figures, you have separate list of figures, so you can have separate list of tables. So same, you insert table of figures, so it will ask you table of figures, formal table, caption, yes, caption label, there it was figures, now here it is basically table. So formal, all the remaining format is the same, formal, simple, whatever you want to select, it is giving you the preview. If you just select OK, you will see that you will have list of table as well. Table 1 correlation, table 2 xyz, table 3 abc, alpha, value of beta, wherever. So if you want to use this table, you want to directly, if you have a document of 500 pages and you have so many tables in your document, so how you can go, that is basically this is the page that is called list of tables. You can have page number and you can have the name of the table, so you can go directly there. If you press the control button and you will click it, you will go to the same table value of beta you can find. So this is the easiest way that you can find your list of figure and list of tables. You just need to use the functions. I hope you understand this. If you don't understand, you can ask question in the comment section. Thank you.